So today I will start the matrix. Matrix is also a, in case of vector is also a matrix, but it may be either row matrix or column matrix. That is, it is one dimensional. But in case of matrix, it is two dimensional. That is, it has a definite number of rows and definite number of columns. Say, for example, take an 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is one matrix. It looks like this. Now, just like the vector, I can select any one element by mentioning its row and column number corresponding. That means if I want to select this 4, that is, it belongs to the second row and third column. That means A 2, 3 is equal to 4. Is the referencing process. And if we want to select this column, we will mention, say, V is equal to A was its third column. So this is the third column. It's the referencing process. And if we want to select any consecutive two row, a two column, then we will mention in this way. Suppose 2 and then second and third, second to third. If we write down 2 to 5 or 4, then it will print a consecutive 3 columns starting from 2 and will end to 4th. This is the referencing. Now, if we write down this one, A of 2 to 3, and then 2 is to 4, then it will, sorry, okay, I must A of so what does it print? That it is selecting, is starting from 2 to this part. That is for this one, this 2 to 3, second and third row. First it is selecting second and third row, then it is selecting second to fourth column. So this is the common part that is displayed here. Okay. This thing I think I have demonstrated in my first classes. I am again doing this one. And if we want to delete suppose I am printing A 4, comma, this one. Sorry, equal to this one. That means it will eliminate this fourth row. This fourth row is eliminated. If I write down 3, if I write down this one, if I write down a 3, then it is eliminate the third row. Similarly, if I write down here this one by 3, then consider this one is the updated, then it will eliminate this third column. Here the third column is eliminated. Okay, let us two is to 3. Then see what happens. These two column is eliminated. Okay, so this is the elimination process, either row or matrix. Now the addition and subtraction process are same, like vector. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this is A matrix. I'm not thinking this one. Now, say B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So this is the B matrix. So if C is the total of A, if we want to add A plus B, then it will be A plus B. Then we will get the element wise addition. The 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 4, 7. Similarly, 4, 5, 9, 5, 6, 11, and so on. And same will be for the difference also. It B minus A, we will get the difference also. I mean 0 minus 9 minus 1, 9 minus 8, 1, 7 minus 8 minus 7, 1, all of them. Okay. And if we want to multiply these two, that is matrix multiplication, A plus B is a row to its column. This is a matrix. I think you know how to multiply two matrix. I think everyone should know. This is a matrix multiplication. But in case of element to element multiplication, it will be everything will same. A dot this one B. This is a element wise multiplication. Okay. That means 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 6 in this way. 2, 3, 6, 7, then 4, and this way, element-wise multiplication. And you know the transpose also. This is A and V is equal to transpose of A, means A prime, then you will get the transpose matrix. Okay, that is A was this one, then here A 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this 4, 5, 6. Row or columns are interchanged here. Is a transpose matrix. Yeah. Now concatenating matrix. Concatenation. Concatenating matrix. I'm just writing down the topic that I will be discussing. Concatenation. Concatenating means we will add two matrices, combine two matrices, either row wise or column wise. So here A was A is equal to this is A, this is B. Okay. This is B. That means A is equal to this one, B is equal to this one. If we write down this one, that is equal to A comma B, then these two matrices will be arranged side by side to form a compact matrix. Okay. That means it was 3 cross 3, it will become 3 cross 6 matrix. If we write down B and comma is replaced by a semicolon, then one will be arranged below another. That means we will get 6 cross 3 matrix. These are the concatenation of two matrices. Here A is equal to this matrix. I think everyone know how to find out the determinant mathematically, and here it is very easy to find bit A. That means determinant of A, that is equal to 0. Okay. Any matrix you can write down. You say B. This is B. If you write down B, it will be B equal to 30. Now, to find out the inverse of a matrix, this A matrix, this A matrix, to find out the inverse, that means inv of A is the inverse of matrix. Multiply A cross inverse of A matrix. Oh, I'll leave it. Now, these are the all operations you need to find out. The in case of matrix. Now we will start adding. Array. Array is vector. In case of vector, vector is also an array. but it is a one-dimensional array. In case of matrix, matrix is a two-dimensional, but in case of array, it is multi-dimensional. Okay, that means all vector is also array, matrix is also array, but all the no sorry. Now to start with array, there are different command is there to make array. Suppose 0, 0, 5. That means zeros. Zeros 5. That means it will form a 5 by 5 matrix or array. Sorry, it is array having each element equal to 0. If we write down 1 once, 3 comma 2, that is 3. It will form an array having r equal, that is row equal to 3, column equal to 2, and each element will be equal to 1. Now EYE of 3 or for anything, that means it will form a unit matrix of dimension 1. If it was 4, it will form unit matrix with dimension 4 cross 4. If we find if we write down rand of suppose 2 comma 3, that means it will form a matrix with dimension row equal to 2, column equal to 3, and each element will be selected randomly. Each element will be random numbers, randomly generated. If it was 5 cross 3, all the numbers will come randomly. And another command I have already discussed, magic 3. It will also generate a matrix 3 cross 3 with speciality, that is summation along rows and columns will be equal, even along the diagonal, that will be equal. Now, suppose here A is equal to, we have already defined one matrix 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Now, if I write down, that is B is equal to CIR SHIFT circular shift A comma 1, that means see sucks. See here, that means row wise it is rotated. Row wise it has been rotated by one unit. Okay, that means 7, 8, 9 was at the third row. It will be rotated to, it will go above this one. So after this one, 1, 2, 3, and after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the new matrix. Now say B equal to surplus shift. If I write down -1, then this one, then C is also okay. So what happens? That means this one means it will be rotated by 1 unit row wise, and this one indicates that it will be rotated column wise by 1 unit. Here, this one here, it will come at the right hand side. So this one is often. Okay. So this is another two commands. Now say A is equal to this one. Or say okay. Wait. Say V is equal to 23, 41, 65, 73, 81. 63, 63, 31, 22, 81, and 20. Okay. This is one vector. This is one vector. Now, if I write down sort, S-O-R-T, sort of V, and see here, all the numbers are sorted, minimum to maximum. 20 is the minimum, 81 is the maximum. All the elements are arranged. Okay. Now, if I write down sort V, comma, sort V, comma, okay. Take another example, A. No. Say A is equal to 264. 264. So one thing, am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Okay. 5, 3, 9. Then 2, 0, 1. This is one matrix. Or you can so this one. This is one matrix. If I write down sort A, comma 1. Sort A, comma 1. That means row wise all are sorted. After 2, if there was 5, so 2 will be here. Up there, 6 is the greatest number. This is the smallest. So smallest will come here. Then 3, then 6. Here 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9. So along row wise, all the columns was sorted. Now if it is sort A, comma 2. A, comma 2. Here 2, 6, 4. 2, 4, 6. 5, 3, 6. So 3 will come first. Then 5, 9. Sorry, 3. No, it was not 6, 9. It was 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. So it will be 0, 1, 2. So it will be arranged row wise. Here, column wise. Okay. Now, I will show you another thing. That is cell array. Cell array. Okay. That means this is one array. This is one array. And all the elements was also some array. There is array in between array. Clear? In case of simple matrix, this is a simple matrix. Here all the positions, all the elements were merely some single valued elements. But in case of cell, this will not be some single element. This position will be treated as a array. That is, this is one array, and all the positions are also forming some array. That is array in between within array. Let us define one array. Suppose here B is equal to cell. B is equal to cell with dimension 2, 5. 2, 5. You can also see here. Whenever he was writing once 2, 2, it was forming some matrix. All the elements are with single valued element. But here, whenever you are writing cell 2 cross 5, see here, it is giving some sign of an array, or here where you can store some vectors or matrix or any array. Okay, these are the locations where you can store either any single value or any matrix or any vector or any other array or any string, anything you can store there. Okay, this is the cell. This is the array of array. This is the cell. This V here is a cell where you can store anything you want. It can be some single valued element, it can be matrix, or it can be any other string. That is, string means some name, any alphabet you can store there. Here I am forming one cell. V is equal to curl bracket. To in YOLO right. These are some strings. And then suppose number. Here, if we enter, then see. This red is stored here. Previously, V is declared as a cell with dimension 2 cross 5. Now we are declaring the element that will be stored in each places. That is, here we are storing some string that is red. The second position, we want to store blue. Here green, here yellow, and here white. And after that, some single values will be stored here. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is a cell. And I will show you one example. Just wait. This is an example of cell array. Is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just see this one. This is a good example of cell array. First, C is declared as a cell of 2 cross 3. That means 2 row and 3 columns. Then we have considered one matrix, magic 2. Magic 2. It is one matrix. Then we are declaring one vector. That means A equal to A is to 3. That means A 1, 2, 3. This is one vector. Then B is a column vector 4, 5, 6. Then A is a string. This is a string. Now we are defining in this cell, C is the array, the first position, that is first row, this one. This first position will be equal to the matrix M, that is a magic. It will accommodate the magic T. The magic element, a magic matrix. Then for C1 2 position, and first row, second column position, it will accommodate the vector, that is 1 is to 3, 1, 2, 3. Then B, 2 2 position, it will accommodate the string S. 1 3 position, it will accommodate 1. It is also an array. 1, single row, single element. And after, if you execute, then you will get C will be equal to, it will show their dimension. Here it is showing the dimension, but if you run, you may get the value also. Okay. So I will ask you to run this, write down you this program. That is this part. Write down this one. Write down only these lines in the command window. Okay. And after that, press C, you will get this one. That will give you the content of C array. And then if you want to check what is the element of C11, you will get the content of C11 element, that is the magic 2. Because C11 was the M, is a magic vector, magic matrix 1, 3, 2, 4, 2. Okay. So run this program in your command window and check the result. Everybody should try this one. And after completing this one, you should take the screenshot and you may also send me by WhatsApp. Run this one. Don't take much time. It will take only 5 or to 6 minutes maximum. Everybody have Matlab? Or you have installed by apps or anything online? Okay, run this one and send me by WhatsApp the screenshot of the result.
Is there anyone trying? Anyone trying? I've got only one answer. And he's absolutely right. Those who are sending me the result, please check this one also. This one. See, within curly bracket 1 comma 1, that means the first one. That will be this matrix, magic 2. And then 1 comma this one. At least check this one.
Okay, you will
Try this one. Take the screenshot. You will try this one. Now I will show you another last command of array. Here, suppose we are writing down C or V within first bracket 1:2, comma 1:2. Here, that means we will select first row and second row, and we'll start column from first column to second column. This one. Okay. If it was 1 to 2, and if it was 2 to 4, here first row, first row, second row, and then starting from second column up to fourth column. This blue, green, and yellow. It will select this one. In this way, we can select the required data. Now, if we write down V, oh, sorry, we can curly bracket 1, comma 2:4. That means we are not selecting the first row and second row like this one. We are selecting only the first row. That means the string names, and starting from column 4 to 2 is 4 to 2, 2 to 4. No, answer will be this one: blue, green, and yellow. And if you write down here 2, then it will bring 2, 3, and 4. That is the second row element. 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So these are the common commands that we will require whenever you will be writing down any coding using the arrays or matrix or vectors. These are the main commands. Okay. So using these commands, you can implement your any complex algorithm in Matlab platform whenever you will be writing down any script in Matlab. So these are the main important commands of vector, matrix, and arrays. So this is all about vector, matrix, and array. So next time we will start another new chapter. That will be, you can also perform different mathematical operation. That means we can solve equations. We can find out we can solve calculus problems of different problems of calculus. Say we can solve limit, we can solve differentiation, integration, we can solve differential equations, we can find out the maxima minima, and this type of mathematical operations we can also solve using these MATLAB commands only. So today we will not start this one. So next class we will start solving calculus using the MATLAB. Okay, so today it's all. Thanks to everyone. It is almost 8. So thank you to all.